If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. After customizing a standard report in QuickBooks Online, you can save the customizations so you won't need to recreate them again. To save a customized standard report in QuickBooks Online that you have run in the Classic view, click the Save Customization button in the upper right corner of the Report Customization section to show a drop-down menu. Type a custom report name into the Custom Report Name field in the drop-down menu. To add this report to an existing customized report group, use the Add this report to a group dropdown to select the name of the report group. Report groups in QuickBooks Online let you save all the custom reports in the report group as a single PDF. In QuickBooks Online, you can only save Classic View reports with other Classic View reports in Classic View report groups, and you can only save Modern View reports with other Modern View reports within Modern View report groups. To create a new report group if needed, click the adjacent Add New Group link to add a new group name field to this drop-down menu. Type a name for the new report group into this field, and then click the adjacent Add button. To share this report with others, use the Share With drop-down to select either All or None. If not shared, a customized report only appears when you are logged into QuickBooks Online Plus. When finished, click the Save button in the drop-down menu to save the customized report. Alternatively, to save a customized standard report in QuickBooks Online that you have run in the Modern view, click the Save As button in the upper right corner of the Report Customization section to open a Save As New Report window. In this window, type a custom report name into the Report Name field. To share this report with others, click the Share with Others toggle switch to set it to the On position. To add this report to an existing customized report group, use the Add to Group drop-down to select the name of the report group. Alternatively, to create a new report group if needed, select the Add New Group choice in the drop-down, and then type a name for the new report group into the Group Name field that then appears in this window. When finished, click the Save button in this window to save the custom report. To find saved custom reports in QuickBooks Online, click the Reports link in the navigation bar. Then, click the Custom Reports tab in the page that opens to the right. Your saved customized reports and, if created, report groups appear on a list in this page. Reports saved into report groups appear indented and below the name of the report group in this same list. To expand and collapse the listing of reports in the report group, click the report group's name. To run one of these reports, click its name within the list. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.